I'm Monika, a member of OnEBoard community, and today I'm gonna make a tutorial about how to create a movie out of Google Photos. It was quite an experience and a journey when I tried to catch it, and I invite you to follow me. So everybody has nice pictures, photos stored in your Google Place with the Google Photos, and then you have created a wonderful album, maybe like this one. Everybody has contributed to this album, so there is not one single owner, but several people to be in the album. Now we wanted to create a movie out of this because there is an option within Google Photos. How to do it? So first you check some pictures, and then you go on top right to the plus and look at the options, but there is only create an album or create a shared album. And even the three dots do not provide something more, only for download the pictures. Okay, I said I will download the pictures to my own folders and see what happened. So this now is my own folder with the pictures, and I tried again. Check some pictures, go to the plus on top right. Now the options have changed. You can create an album, a shared album, an animation, but it's still not a movie, and a collage. Very disappointing on this point. Even the three dots do not provide a movie creation. You have the waste paper basket, delete from the album, manage the location, manage date and time, or again make a download. So finally I remembered, okay, let's try on mobile. And that's my advice to everybody who is listening and watching. You can create the movie only on your mobile phone. So here are the screenshots for your mobile phone. I will start with the first one. That's how you see your photos on your mobile phone. And you go top down, right, bottom right to the shared albums. See? And choose the shared album. Here are the bridges. I will choose this one. And then I started again to check 3 pictures and try to find the link for creating a movie. Top right, you find the plus again. And now you can see the menu with create an album, create a shared album, and here you go with a film. You can create a film. In English, you can create a movie. And also an animation and collage, but we wanted to create a movie. It's only here. Check the film, the movie solution, and then you have several options. Here are the pictures listed. You can change the series, how the pictures come in the row. Then you can add some music. You can change the volume of the music, and you can change the length, how long the pictures are shown in your movie. Here is the slide. And don't forget to save your movie. You also can create some different music, either of your own music, or you can find a music by a theme, or you can even delete the music. And of course, the volume. is the music button. And then the movie is running, and the auto awesome of my Google Photo system made an animation of all my screenshots. And now enjoy the bridges. Well, in a movie like this, you can also add short videos, not only pictures of your Google Photos. So maybe 10-second videos. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our playlist and check the links in the description below, and you will get informed when we publish our next tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.